I'm here in Music Appreciation. Let's scroll down to the Start Here module. I'm going to click the Start Here module. Scroll down until you see Technical Support, Blackboard Help, Support and Apps. Click there. On the Tech Support page, I'm going to scroll down again, have a little fun here. And what we're looking for is Download Respondus Lockdown Browser. I'm going to click there now. And when you get here, you see the overview video. Check it out. It's pretty cool. You see the version, which is basically auto detector for Mac or PC. For Chromebook, it's a little bit different. I'll reference some details on that later. Let's install now. Downloading. We have the package here. Can choose where we want to save it. Desktop or wherever you choose to. Just somewhere you can find it pretty quickly. Save it. It's good to go. It's already done. Can X out of here. Got to go navigate to where it is. Okay, go to the package. I'm going to unzip it. Move it out of the way there. Click on the package. Going to allow this package to run a program to determine if the software can be installed. Important. Just want to follow the steps. Okay, making sure to give it access here. Welcome to the Respondus Lockdown Browser installer. Going to continue. Keep it moving. Software license agreement. Continue. Agreeing to the software license agreement. And we're going to install. Here we go. The installation was successful. Yay, we did it. Okay, let's close that. We do not need to keep the package. We are good to go on that. Now, this is the recommended way to take care of this, to make sure you have Respondus Lockdown Browser for your class. Do this in week 1, really. You could navigate that way anytime in the course before you take your first quiz and or assessment. Now, if I come back over here, click the Start Here module, we're going to go to Module 1, the Elements of Music. Now, I go to week 5, Elements of Music 4. This is where my first quiz is for my courses here. I go to Quiz, Elements of Music, Respondus Lockdown Browser. I'm going to click that now. You see Start Attempt 1. Now, if I take just a minute just to pause and say, okay, wait, what else is going on here? You're going to see Assessment Security here. You need Respondus Lockdown Browser to complete this assessment. And download Respondus Lockdown Browser if not already installed. So this is actually another way that you could do it. You can use the Start Here module. You can actually do it right from here. If I click it, check this out. It takes me back to that same page. Okay, now I'm going to X out of that, just showing you. Now, what's going to be typical scenario is, you may not end up going to doing this from the Start Here module because you forget, you get busy doing other things. Not a big deal, but you click the quiz, and you might even actually miss where it says Assessment Security right here. All good, no worries. There's another way, number 3. We're going to click Start Attempt 1. See the time limit, continue. All right, now I already have it here, so right now it's just giving me a message to say Open Lockdown Browser, and then what I would want to do is want to make sure to give it the permissions that it needs. Always allow south-texas-college.blackboard.com to open links of this type in the associated app. We're just given permissions here. Now, I'm not actually going to click Open now. It's going to block that because I'm actually recording here with you, a help screen video tutorial on the basics of Respondus Lockdown Browser. So I'm going to cancel this for now, but typically you'd want to make sure to go, cool, got this, good to go. You would open it and you'd be golden. Now, if you didn't actually already have it, this is the third way. This is going to be the more typical way. If I just go back for a second, where the quiz is due in an hour or two, or it's due the next day and you didn't get it from the Start Here module. And then when you click the quiz, you didn't even see that it was actually there before you click Start Attempt 1 or however many attempts you have. And so again, typically you're just kind of zipping through and doing this, what you're seeing me do right now. And you're only going to see this right here, as I said earlier, from if you already actually have it. So this would be what you'd see. And then it says you need Lockdown Browser to open the assessment. If you can't open the assessment, download and install. So again, this is the third way. If you click this, it takes you to the same screen. And that's the really cool thing about all this. Now I'm going to X out of here. What's really cool about using Respondus Lockdown Browser is that you log into Blackboard as you normally would. Then you find the quiz or exam and click Start Attempt. You will be prompted to open the assessment in Lockdown Browser. Just follow the prompts and you will be in the quiz or exam in no time. Now keep in mind that while using Lockdown Browser, you will not be allowed to use any other programs or surf the web. When you click through the prompts, a message will pop up asking you to close all applications and continue. For PCs and Chromebooks, there are some different steps and settings involved. No worries here. I'll leave some info and video links below that will take you through how to get this rolling on both Google Chrome OS-powered Chromebooks and Microsoft Windows PCs. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.